Okay, here I am over at my bus location, and as you can see, it's right on a heavily traveled road. As we're coming around, that's my old house over there, and you can see my bus over there by the garage and my little S10 beater. So let's go in and take a look. I'm going to open the bus door from here. Alright, got plenty of solar today. Okay, now we're in the backyard. The bus hasn't moved for a few months. I'm getting ready to, oh shit, uh-oh. I think we got a problem. Houston, the window's open. And it rained. Oh well, let's see what happens. Open it up. Let it air out if it needs it. Which I don't think it will. There's my wicking bed back there. Ah, it's dry already. Alright. Let's go back to the wicking bed. There's my old greenhouse that the new owners aren't taking care of. Oh, we got a small red tomato already. There's my old wicking beds that they're not doing much with. That's too bad. That's a waste. Got a nice little red tomato here. Oh, I got another one down in there. I just picked peppers and tomatoes a few days ago. Cucumbers are going like crazy. Got some carrots down here. Got some cayennes right there. Got a phone call coming in. I don't know who it's from. Probably a telemarketer. Let's see. Got some beets. I had a lot of snow peas here, and they're past due. I'll plant some more end of August. We've got some Roma tomatoes here. And say some cayennes here. So for a little wicking bed, it's doing pretty good. Got onion chives here. I can't see my screen, so I hope I'm pointing correctly. The sun is out really bright. So this is a 4x8 wicking bed. It has its own water reservoir on the bottom, so water comes up to the roots instead of going down into the ground and going away. So before I go back to the condo today, I'm going to pick a couple tomatoes. Yay, and got a bunch more coming in there. Don't see too many more flowers. That's okay, we'll be getting more. Alright. This is a garage I use while I'm here to work on projects. And we're going to head back around. Hopefully you can hear me all right. I didn't do a test. Looks like somebody's been cutting some bushes. A lot of bushes. Good. It used to be Mosquito Alley. Oh, we got some of these. Pretty nice. Can't remember what they are, but and my shepherd visor. Alright, we're going to go into the bus here in a minute and take a look. Right now my solar is hooked up through here, which goes directly to the batteries coming off the charge controller of my suitcase. I'll be changing that up. You see coming up the steps. You see my separating toilet. This is my wardrobe up here. This is my outside rug. And this will be my electrical bay in here. I've got a bunch of more stuff to put in there. And there's my slide out drawers, which I'm going to do some lightening on. Put some holes in the sides to make them lighter. And as we come in, here's my Murphy table. storage cabinets underneath. My generator. When we come around, we've got all our light fixtures here. As you can see, I haven't got them up yet. Ceiling's not completely in. I've got it in here, but not back there yet. That's a storage compartment. It runs the whole depth for my brooms, my straight edges, and stuff like that. And I've got overhead cabinets here. Utility box up there. Stove. And my sink's over there, which is full of stuff. I'm getting ready to make a lot of modifications in here. I'm going to be taking all this over here on this side and moving it to the passenger side. And down here is my slide-out refrigerator, freezer. I've completely covered in foam, which helps immensely for keeping the thing cool. It's not on right now. And there'll be some black expanded metal down here to get a good airflow going. The air comes in down there and comes out over here. Let's see, there's my Murphy bed in the up position right now, with some lightning holes in it. I'm going to put some black 032 aluminum on the inside of those holes just for decoration. I've got storage down here. I've got storage in the back there. More storage over here. I've got to get some kind of connector up here to hold the bed up, because that'll probably be in the up position when I go to Maryland. And then my window's open. Right now I'm using just these rods to open them. I'm getting ready to put screens on it with Velcro about 3/4 of the way down and around so I can open them. I've got to, since I'm swapping everything over, I've got to close these windows in with Reflectix and foam to help keep the heat out. And then I'll have to get over here and do the same thing. I didn't do the windows on this side. I should have. So I've got it's hard to see here, but I've got an old air conditioner here that I'm taking out as soon as I can figure out how to separate it from the other system. So there'll be more storage up there. Then the cab is in here. HD's bed is down here. We've got a big window to look out when we're traveling. So I'm getting ready to, like I say, take all these drawers out and put holes in the sides, just to lighten them up. I'm going on well, I'm not, but the bus is going on a diet. And of course my fantastic fan, which I can run, but there's no need to since I've got the windows open. This one's only partially open. So that's what's going to happen in here. I'm going to be making some changes. And again, I'm adding a second 120 watt, 20 amps solar suitcase, foldable. Then I've got my Victron and still got to get my inverter, 2000 watt inverter. And I've got to redo all this wiring, which is going to be fun. Well, this is my metal detector hanging here. So I'm going to redo all that wiring. All my fuses. I've got to get the inverter yet, and I've got to get my batteries. The batteries are down underneath that step right there. The one battery I have. At the van build last year, we built a custom battery box which will hold up to 5 batteries. So I'm going to get 2 Battleborns, which will quadruple my amp hours. This is going to be nice. Here, let me open this up for you. And I put these latches on it because they work really great. And it's hot in here right now because it hasn't been open. Oops, something's falling. Just a piece of transfer paper. So this is behind my work table, which is right here. And as you can see, there's no legs. I designed it so there's no legs. So let me put this back up temporarily. So this supports the half of the tabletop that comes out past this part. This part right here actually sits right on here. So that supports it from here to here, and this box reinforces it from there out, so I don't need legs. And so transfer tapes, other kinds of things go in here. Junk area, my laminator goes up there. My vinyl cutter goes in here, which is at the condo. And when not in use, this just goes back up, out of the way. And again, this long box, this is just screen material, you know, household screen, which lets air flow through. And as you can see, there's my scrub brush for the bus, and my broom for the brush. I've got some pecks in here. I gotta finish plumbing out my tanks, which are under the floor here. This section right here that you see, that's an access panel to get down to the fuel tank filter and pump. Instead of dropping the tank, if something goes wrong with it, I can just pull this panel up and get to it. So that's about it. And of course I have plenty of light over here. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Let's dizzy yet? Okay, all the lights are on, everything's on. What are we drawing for juice here? 12.8 with everything on, so that's not bad. That's the battery's still full, so I'm getting plenty of juice from the 120 watt. Of course, plus I have double there and a regular something there, and then I also have it back here also, so I can check it at night, keep an eye on it. So now we're back up to 13.4, so we're charging really well with just that one, but I only have one AGM battery too. That only gives me 50 amp hours of usable amps. So with 2 Battleborns I can quadruple that. Alright, so this is my shuttle bus, 97 square feet of living space and working space. Hang on a second and I'll pull my Murphy bed down so you can see that. I'll be right back. Okay, I have my Murphy bed down. I have a memory foam mattress in there. It's trimmed down so I can sit on the edge. And I'm going to build some kind of lean-to here. I'm not sure how exactly yet, so my pillows won't fall off. And of course the back window opens. So I've got 3 windows. When they're open, we get a really nice breeze. So that's the Murphy bed down. And it's an Armstrong lift system. 2 arms lifted up. So that's a tour of the inside of my bus. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'll be doing videos as I go, making all these changes. And I'm thinking about that now, trying to figure out the best way to do it. In 3 weeks, I'm going to Annapolis, Maryland to see the grandbabies. So I've got 3 pages of things I need to do, and I've got the ones I need to do before I go in red, and the things when I get back, the first things in black, in blue, Here's my electrical box back here. And some of the wiring comes up here and goes across here and down. So I'm going to have to pull some of that down to move it back over. Oh well. I'm trying to get better weight distribution. When I get my full color digital printing machine, then I'm going to have to move it over here because the driver's side was too heavy last year, and this machine weighs 40-50 pounds more than the one I have now. So, and it's deeper, so that means once I move everything over to the passenger side, I'm going to have to dismantle this top section from here down to here and rebuild that to fit the new machine, which is no big deal. Just time and a few materials. Okay. Oh, and when I get my ceiling up, I'll be putting all the stickers up on the ceiling. Ceiling will be like this one, and then this will be clear coated, and then the stickers will go up. So if you want to swap stickers, my address is in my about page. My email is there also. Send me an email with your address and I'll get my stickers right out to you. Alright, HD, I know it's hot in here, but he won't leave my side, so isn't that right? He's got fresh water right here in his swing out dish. And I think we're about done here for today. Oh, I just bought a bit to put the holes in, the lightning holes. And this thing will chew some holes, let me tell you. It's a 2-inch with 3/8 shaft on it. And it's clouding up outside. It looked like south of us was building up a little bit, so we may get some more rain this afternoon. So I'm going to button this up. I'm going to close my fan a little bit. I don't have to close it all the way. Let some of the heat out. And then I'm going to close my windows and head back to the condo, since I forgot to bring my drill to start using this. And I'm actually going to drill holes in the countertop too. A series of holes. What that does, it lightens it, because when I put the Formica over it, it'll bridge that 2-inch hole with no problem and it won't show up. Okay, that's it. You've seen my bus. Send me some comments. Tell me how you like it. These cabinets are the first ones I ever built, so they came out pretty good. Oh, other things I'm going to do is these sharp edges here, I'm going to round these over on all my doors. That'll take a little weight out. I'm going to paint the inserts black and clear coat the rest of it to match these up here. And then every place is a seam, like right here. I'll put a 1.5 inch wide slat across there, probably painted black also, to cover the seams. So I got a lot of work to do. Alright, that's it. I'm out of here. Leave me some comments, please. Thank you.